Hi, this is Kelly from the Inter Solar Convention in San Francisco, and I'm here with Gene from Quality Transformers and Electronics, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his company and what they do.
Hi, I'm Gene Clift. Quality Transformer was incorporated in 1964. We have been supporting the electronic industry in the Bay Area ever since, and most recently the electronic industry is shifting to solar. And so here we are. We're providing transformers to companies that manufacture equipment to manufacture photovoltaic cells.
All right. So these displays are all the things that you manufacture. Then, can you tell us a little bit about this display and what all the pictures are of?
Okay. We support a wide spectrum of industries. This particular power supply is an 18 kilowatt, 300 volt DC power supply that was used to went into equipment to scan luggage, for the airports. So it's an X-ray machine, and we've all been through that. This little power supply down here is used to power equipment to generate chlorine from sodium or from brine, and they use this for water purification, for swimming pools, and drinking water. Also, sewage treatment and on shipboards and whatnot.
Okay, that's interesting because you mentioned earlier that it means they don't have to have the big containers of chlorine.
That's correct. The high pressure cylinders that they have previously been used, they can get rid of those, which adds a factor of safety.
Okay, and what about this big image in the center here?
Okay, there's a variety of transformers on here. These little red things here are high voltage isolation transformers used in clinic machines, medical applications. These little pulse transformers also go there. The rectifier transformers that you see there went into our 300 volt DC power supply. And then the 150 kVA transformer in the background is main AC for a lot of the equipment manufacturers for semiconductors.
Okay, that's great. And what about these other two down here?
Okay, this was just a power distribution unit in a 19-inch rack that has an 8 kVA transformer, has a DC power supply, and just a bunch of outlets so that they can have power when they need it. This one here was an 8 kVA transformer, which had, I'm blocking the view. 8 kVA transformer, and it had two of them in it, and integrated into a rack type system as well.
And then you mentioned about sustainability practices. You mentioned that you are looking into putting solar on the roof. You guys use a lot of energy, and so you're trying to offset some of that? That's
correct. We've started to investigate into what it would take to put solar cells on our roof so that we can partially support our company with the power that we generate.
Okay. All right. That's great. And for customers, how do they contact you? How do they find you? Do you have a website?
We have a website. It's www.qte.com. And otherwise, we're in the phone book, and that's the way most of our customers contact us, is either via email or through the phone.
Okay. And you said you're in the Bay Area right here?
Yes, we're located in Milpitas, California, which is north of San Jose and south of Fremont, centrally located for the Silicon Valley, and it's worked out really well for us.
All right, that's great. So that means that you're in the United States and you're not based out of Germany or China or anywhere else?
Correct. That's our headquarters and manufacturing center is in Milpitas, and we buy American.
All right, that's awesome.
Materials.
Do you have any extra information you'd like to add?
Well, like I said, we've been in business since 1964. We've supported the laser industry, the semiconductor industry, medical industry, military industry, and now the solar industry.
All right. Thank you very much, Gene.
Thank you.
It was nice talking to you. This is Kelly from Builderoo.com, and for other videos, just check out our website.